the number one sales funnel for info products, agencies, and B2B businesses. You see, I've had the opportunity to have my mentor actually show me how this funnel works, and over the weeks I've been testing new formulas, new flows, new tactics, and I'm glad to say that I'm finally finished. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the final product and how the number one sales funnel looks like, and how you can actually integrate it into your info product, your agency, or your B2B business. This isn't something that has been made for e-commerce businesses, as it is a sales call funnel. But let's actually go ahead and jump into it right now. Now we're taking a look at the funnel right now on my screen, and this funnel is broken up into two parts, which is inbound leads and outbound leads. Now the first thing I want us to actually go ahead and take a look at is the inbound flow, right? Because it is, like, you can say it's the most complicated one, but it honestly isn't that much like complicated. It's actually way more simpler than outbound leads is, right? So you get a lead who actually goes ahead and sees the Facebook ad, right? And a percentage of the people who see the Facebook ad will actually go ahead, click the link, and they will opt in. Now, if you're wondering what they actually opt into, they're actually opting into a VSL, like a video sales letter, which is basically a free webinar or free video training where you just give the lead some free information, but it has to be information that provides value without actually also providing a solution and the steps to how they can actually go ahead and solve their problem. Because if you actually do that in the video sales letter, they aren't going to book a call with you, because they understand that, well, now I already have all the information I need. Why do I have to go ahead and book a call, right? Because they feel as if, well, there's no more need for them to book a call. And your video sales letter should be broken up into two parts, which is the first part being the pain part, which is where you introduce the pain and the uncomfortable things that actually irk your ideal prospect, and like it's something that they wish they could change, because it's something that they're suffering from on a daily basis, and it's something that you can provide a solution to, which is why on part two you provide yourself, or you show yourself as the authority and the one who can actually solve their problem. And when you actually go about doing that, being the key and building your authority and showing them how you can solve their problem, you aren't supposed to go into detail about how you can solve their problem. All you need to do is be vague and do it in a very broad way as to the fact that, like, it's not something they can actually go ahead and go do themselves with the information you give them, but it's for them to understand how your systems work and how partnering up with you will look like if they end up partnering up with you. So once they have opted in, they will get follow-up emails after 24 hours, which will actually send them straight to book a call. If they actually watch the video sales letter and don't book a call, well, this follow-up email, which is, I think, two follow-up emails, one 14 hours after they've opted in and another 36 hours after they've opted in. But once they have opted in and they haven't watched the video sales letter, they'll just get two follow-up emails that will have them go straight into booking a call, right? Now, before I go more into detail about booking a call, let's jump into outbound leads and see how our outbound leads actually end up on the scheduler page, right? So we, unlike the Facebook ads, we are the ones who actually go ahead and collect the leads information, right? Whether it be paying someone on Fiverr to do some lead data mining for you, or actually doing it yourself, searching using like Google search to get leads, to get businesses that you can outreach to. And once you have collected like the leads information, like their name, their email, and their Facebook and LinkedIn pages, you can go ahead and start sending them actual cold emails and cold Facebook and LinkedIn DMs. Now, I have a video that goes into detail about my current cold call, actually not cold call. I have a video that actually goes into detail about my current cold messaging strategy and system, which you can actually check out right up here by clicking that link. Now, after you've gone ahead and watched that video, you can come back to this video and we can go ahead and continue with this flow. So hopefully you have seen that video by now, and if you haven't, I do encourage you to go and do it right now. Otherwise, well, you might be facing a sales funnel that might break, because my scripts are tailor-made for this specific sales funnel. But once you have already like sent them the messages on here, they might end up coming to your scheduler page through an email you sent, or coming to your scheduler page through a Facebook or LinkedIn DM you sent them, right? So on their booking page or scheduler page, this is where your client your lead actually picks the time they want to talk to you, and they actually also answer some questions that you have on your scheduler page. Like, taking a look at this, after they've gone ahead and book the time for a call, and they've also filled in all the information, and they actually do qualify, because some people get disqualified if their revenue is too low, and we actually have to cancel that meeting with them, right? Because we actually feel that we can't help them, and I'm really not willing to go on a call and spend 30 to 40 minutes with someone I know I can't help, right? So after they've gone ahead and finished booking a call, they'll get sent to a thank you video, right? And now this thank you video will basically just explain to them what happens on the call and what the next steps are, right? And then after the thank you video, I'll have them connected to a retargeting campaign on Facebook, which will just constantly retarget them until the day they actually schedule a call. Now, with me personally, the retargeting is only for people who have been on the thank you page in the past 8 days, and that's because there's a 1 day delay. They can't book a call within 24 hours, right? So a lead can only book a call after 24 hours has passed, and they only have 7 days to pick from. So you can gladly say 7 days plus the 1 wait day equals 8 days, which is why my retargeting campaign is only for people who've seen the ad in the last 8 days, right? So from that retargeting campaign will just the only link, the link attached to that retargeting ad is a link that literally sends them straight to my website, right? Like my main website. Doesn't even send them to my scheduling page, it sends them straight to my website, right? Because it's not the link that matters, it's actually the video in the retargeting ad that matters. So the retargeting ad is just me basically saying, hi, I'm Bongi, and you just booked a call with me, and I'm glad to be helping you take this first steps into growing your business. And I honestly wouldn't even have allowed you to book a call if I felt that you aren't a good fit and you aren't someone I believe I can help. So I can't wait till I see you on our meeting, and please do check your emails, because one of my VAs or one of my team members actually go ahead and send you a few emails that will give you access to the sales call, because we actually prevent quite a large majority of our clients from getting access to the sales call if we honestly feel that they aren't a good fit and they don't have the personality required to be our client. So I'm so super glad to actually have this call with you, and don't forget to check your emails for a link and access to the sales call. Until I see you on the sales call, have a nice day, right? So that's basically what my retargeting ad looks like, right? And the retargeting ad will keep getting sent, and it will send them straight to the sales call, right? And same thing with the follow-up right here. Once they've gotten to the thank you video, they get sent follow-up emails like once a day. They get sent follow-up emails until the day of the call, right? And on the call, well, a percentage of the people on the call will actually go ahead and purchase and become a paying client, right? So that has been my sales call funnel. So that has been my sales call funnel. I really hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead and show your appreciation by smashing that subscribe button, right? So that is my entire sales call funnel, and if you did find any valuable value here, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button right underneath me. Until I see you in the next video, thank you, dear.